Okay, for tonight's homework, I'm going to have you write 2 sentences in the beginning about what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to have you just write down the 5 words to show me that you listened. So you're just going to write a little 2-sentence summary, 2 to 3 sentence summary, and then write down the 5 key words to show me you listened from beginning to end. All right, what I want you to write a couple sentences about are the fact that we've done all 3 transformations. We've done a slide, we've done a flip, and now we've done a rotate. A slide is always moving left or right and up or down. A flip is always equal distance points on either side of the line of reflection. And now the hard part, the rotation. Quarter turn to the right, take your points, flip them around, and make the right side number negative. Quarter turn to the left, flip the points around, and make the left side negative. So I want a couple sentences talking about the 3 main types of transformations. Now I want you to listen and write down the 5 words. Alright, so we've been doing problems where you've been doing the transformations. These problems, the transformations already done for you, and you're looking to see what you did to get it from the original to the new spot. So again, these single ones, it could either be a slide like this. You need to know that the original has no marks on it, and then the new one does. This is the pre-image. This is the image. The first word is white. White. So for this, if I know when this is a slide, it's not a flip, it's not a rotate, I need to now map out what that slide is. It looks like when this goes down here, looks like I'm going left 5, down 2. So this, what is the transformation? This was a translation that went left 5, down 2. So if I ask you, what was the transformation? You would say, this was translated left 5, down 2. Another single would be the single reflection where one flips over to the other. Until you could see it's not just sliding over. This is a flip. And then for a flip, you need to tell me it's a reflection. And then you need to tell me which line it's being reflected over. So this is a reflection over the y-axis. Second word is black. Black. Alright, the third single transformation is a rotation. So if I take this rotation, this point is 2, 4. I want you to do rotations by looking at the coordinates. B is 2, 6. So again, back to this. I'd like you to do rotations by writing down the coordinates. So this is 2, 4. B is the point 2, 6. And C is the point 4, 7. So if I do this turning to my left, that's going to be a quarter turn to my left. And I could tell because each point gets flipped. So this A prime right here, A prime, this is going to be negative 4, 2. C prime is going to be negative 7, 4. And B prime is negative 7, 2. So you can see I flipped the original coordinates and made that left one negative. So you would say for this transformation, this is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation around the origin. And I know that because the points flipped and the left side became negative. So rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin, or left. All right, third word is red. Red. Okay, for the last one, for the doubles, I want you to see that doubles can be done in more than one way. So if I look at this one right here, I'm telling you to reflect it first and then do a translation second, but you could have translated this down to here and then reflected next. Remember, there's always more than one way of doing these. The second word is brown. I'm sorry. The fourth word is brown. Brown. Okay, so for this, I would suggest reflecting first. So I'm going to reflect over the x-axis. So B prime right here, A prime right here, C prime right about here. Whoops, I'm sorry, right there. And I could see once I reflected it, now it looks like I need to slide it over to this spot right here. So this one looks like I'm reflecting over the x-axis first, and then I'm sliding over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 7 up 2. So reflecting across the x-axis and then translating right 1, 2, 3, 4, right 7 up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Then translated right 7, 7 right, and then up 2. All right, the fifth word is yellow. Good luck.